Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Santa Maria right there. I just want to highlight that. Santa Maria. It's really cool. There's that beautiful thing that I have never really noticed before, quite the same way. This is the bishop's house, 1835. So that's Bishop Lane right there. Okay, we're gonna go down this little Bishop Lane, Travessa de Bispo. I think it's Bishop. Bispo. Might be wrong. We'll just call it Bispo Lane. And before we even go down, we're at this Say Cathedral over here. And we're also at a seminary, which is, let me see the name, the Bishop's House, Paso Episcopal. So yeah, the Bishop's Palace. So actually this is Bishop Street, and then this would be the marking of it right here. This little yellow building. Which I think is private property, so I don't think we can go in, but there's a beautiful statue right there, Santa Maria. Maybe I could go in, I don't know. So nonetheless, we might try to go in. That's kind of cool. But that's going to be our target street, right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So this is our target street. There's security. I just want to take a look at this real quick. I don't know if I can go in or not. I don't know. I think it's, but I did see this really beautiful Santa Maria right there. I just want to highlight that. Santa Maria. It's really cool. And you can kind of capture it like that even. So the reason I want to capture that is because this whole space has some really beautiful, a lot of Catholic stuff. So just keep that in mind. So we're on Bishop Street, and we also have some beautiful Portuguese stuff. There's aloe plants. There's that beautiful thing that I have never really noticed before, quite the same way. This is the bishop's house, 1835. Some nicely planted aloe trees in there. Amazing. This is the Say Cathedral. So yeah, our Bishop Lane is right there. So I'm not going to deviate from that too much, but I am going to show you what's at the base of it, including this church. Let me just see. So we're gonna head on out. It's pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna come on out. So that's still our Bishop Lane that we haven't quite gone down yet. It's only one block, but I'm gonna get to it. so don't worry. Just giving you some context of Bishop Lane. So that goes down the hill, down Calçada de St. John. This is Say Plaza in Cathedral. Historic. Built in 1622. So 1622. We're gonna go across here. I wish I could see inside here. That one, there's a really beautiful statue. It's like a mixture of Guanyin, the Chinese, and it's a mixture of like Mother Mary as well. And I have caught it before, but I can't capture it right now. And so now we're on our little lane. Let me try to go around. So I want to try to capture it on the other side of the street. There we go. So now we can capture it from this better image right here. Bishop Lane. No entry for tourists, it says right there. And then that's our target right there. Travessa de Bispo. And we'll just keep on walking all the way down. We're gonna continue to go on. There's Moon right there, which is popular with tourists. And I just wanted to capture this real quick. They have all these street names here, so it's like Fat Patio, Patio de Gordo. This is a famous one. That's actually, this one is haunted. This one is Happiness, Bruchas. Anyways. So we are gonna keep on going down. That's the Walking Macau shop. So you can buy a lot of tourist stuff in that shop. Keep on going down. And we're gonna come out to the Portuguese bookstore. So the Portuguese bookstore is right here in the corner. So you'll see some Revolution of April the 25th. So that one is for Portuguese. More. This is Paso de Nada alcohol. More up there as well. So that's the bookstore. Goes all the way. This whole, it's like there's a basement and there's 2 stories. So you can see both stories there. So basically this is our area. This is the let's see if we can navigate here a little bit. So that's the Bishop Lane. Gonna try to capture it like here. Travessa de Bispo right there. And I'm gonna try to go across, so we're gonna go across now. Follow this. And I'm just gonna go around this truck. And then I'm gonna come back and show you the Bispo again. So let me see if we can get across here. This goes down to Senado Square, São Domingos, and so forth. Got some trucks in here that are probably doing deliveries. And now we're gonna go back to Bishop Lane, highlight that. So once we get, here we go, right here. So that's Bishop Lane right there. And this one goes up to the traditional Portuguese consulate. And that's our target street right there. And that's a whole other little world in there. So let's just end it right there. Bishop Lane. It's kind of cool image. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.